Who else loves doing this? That's a Hey guys, welcome back to Saving Mamacita. This is my channel for monthly subscription box unboxings, product reviews, hauls, that kind of thing. This video is actually going to be an unboxing of a brand new box. Yeah, that's right. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and unbox Lovely Things box. All right, so it actually came in a different box, a box inside of a box. So that is why it looks like this. It has like a little sticker on the top of their logo, Lovely Things box, and it's just a basic white box, cardboard box. So let's go ahead and open it and see. You guys ready for this? I love new freaking boxes. Look it. Oh, you guys know I love that confetti. Okay, so right off the top, we have a little postcard, and it says Lovely Things box. How it works, it's a bi-monthly lifestyle box, a mixture of beauty, self-care, and lifestyle. No commitments, just a one-time purchase. We work with other small businesses and some brands you might already know. A little bit of everything wrapped up in a lovely box. Thank you, Christina. And I will have a code here, you guys, for you at the end of this if you're interested in getting 10% off your very own Lovely Things box. So exciting. Okay. So right off the top, look at that. It's beautiful purple. They have, they have a postcard. It's actually more like a card, and it says Lovely Things box on it. And inside, it has all of the products inside along with their values. It has a little description of each item. And yeah, it looks like there's quite a few items in this box, you guys, which I'm super, super excited about. Oh, I love that. Look at that. So pretty. I love the confetti. So much fun. Okay, so here is the first item. It is called Soon Skincare. And Soon Skincare is an eye patch. It's a 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patch. Prevent collagen loss and renew skin with our 24 karat gold patch on your face. Oh, sorry. Got excited there for a minute. Formulated with 24 karat gold to slow collagen breakdown and reduce fine lines. Girl, I need that. And niacinamide to brighten your under eyes. Our biodegradable hydrogel patch leaves your under eyes firmer and brighter. This value is $4 for this patch, these eye patches. Next we have, ooh, look at this. What? This is called Almost Famous, and this is a Buzz It shaving wand. What? Designed to gently trim and remove unwanted hair, perfect for your upper and your lower lip, cheeks, chin, and neck areas. This is called the Buzz It Shaving Wand. $30 value on this. This is something I've never gotten in a subscription box before. This is freaking cool. Like, I am so excited to try this. It's actually a pocket-sized shaver. Look at that. I've heard of this brand too, Almost Famous. The next item we have in the box is Peach ManiPedi Scrub. Ooh. This scrub is from Peachy brand, 100% natural exfoliation, coconut shell and sugar, avocado, peach, and castor oil, 7 vitamins. It's hydrating, hypoallergenic, and has a luscious peach scent. This is $11.99. Let's open up this bad boy. I love exfoliating, especially in the colder months because my skin gets really dry. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful packaging. Let's open it up because I want to smell this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's definitely got the exfoliating in there, those little crystals, and it smells freaking amazing. Yes, very peachy. If you like the peach scent, you guys, you're gonna love this. This is amazing. I cannot wait to use this. Wow. Next, we have a little thing in the bubbly wrap. Let's undo this and take a look. It looks like it's a essential oil or a perfume, but oh, can we have some fun for a minute? Can we please? ASMR action for you guys. Okay, so this is called Light of Love Incorporated Elevate. This is, yes, jasmine essential oil, wild orange essential oil, and fractionated coconut oil. Batch number 13. This is a 10 mLs. Let's read a little bit about this. Elevate is a floral citrusy blend of jasmine and wild orange and infused with healing crystal chips. Stress relief, overall mood boosting. Jasmine has the relaxing, soothing, elevates your mood and confidence boosting. $10.20 on this. Let's smell it because you know your girl loves fruity scents. Interesting. Yes, very citrusy. It's actually quite pleasant. If you look really close, you can see the crystals inside of it. You see that, you guys? That's pretty cool, actually. This looks like, I don't know, this kind of looks like a soap. But let's go ahead and open it up. It's in this cute little red bag, drawstring bag. If I can open it. Oh, it's a lavender lemon shower steamer. You unwrap it, place it in the shower near the drain. For best results, place just outside of a direct water spray and enjoy. Paraben-free, artificial dye-free, synthetic fragrances free. It's from All About Allure. Look at that. Ooh. Let's open it up just to smell it. It says it's got lemon in it, so I don't know. You guys know I'm not a big lemon girl, but it has lavender. It's okay. Lavender lemon. But yeah, what an interesting concept. I like that. Next we've got three things left, you guys. Okay, here we go. We got another little red bag here. This looks like a necklace. Gold butterfly necklace from Ellison X Young. It's a stunning style of necklace with 5 dainty butterflies attached throughout. A 16-inch chain. This is $11.25. First of all, I love butterflies. How did they know? Oh my goodness! Look at those little butterflies. How cute is that? You can loosen it. It's got a little extension here so you can adjust how tight or how loose you want it. So that is gorgeous. I love that. Love it.
A few moments later.
We have a Volcano Vibes, this is called. These are wax pebbles from Align Dash Studios with a $6 value. Are you stuck at home and looking for a tropical getaway? Volcano Vibes will have you sitting on a beach with a festive drink in your hand. The scent notes are tropical fruit and sugared citrus. The middle note is lemon and lime, and the bottom is mountain greens. Use only in tea light warmers or electric warmers approved for wax. So I'm gonna open this up because I'm curious to see how it smells. Oh, yes. That definitely smells like a tropical getaway. And look at, they're actually really small little pieces of wax, and they're just different colors. So you just dump them all, however much you want, in your wax warmer, and boom. And the final thing, you guys, okay, this is called Strobe and Allure. Look at this, Strobe and Allure. Step into the spotlight, attract and allure with Moira's Strobe and Allure strobing palette that will amplify any look with sheer luminescence. $16 value on this. Definitely going to use this for sure. Okay, we got one more item left, you guys, and this is called the Metallic Shadow Stick from Girl Actic. This creamy eyeshadow stick delivers effortless application and high definition with long-lasting color and no fallout. Long-wearing and crease-resistant, the color glides seamlessly onto lids and blends out easily. Worn alone or combined with pressed shadows, the shadow sticks can highlight and create a smoky eye look. $20 value on that. Now, if I'm getting ready to go out, I do prefer a smoky look, a smoky eye, for sure. So this is gonna be interesting to try. Let's take a look at this. Ah, it is definitely a metallic. See that? On my skin there, you can kind of see, it's more of like a pinky rose color. Yeah. That'll be kind of interesting to try, you guys. That concludes the unboxing of Lovely Things box. What did you guys think? Oh my goodness, there were so many freaking things in this box. All right, well, let's go ahead.
Meanwhile,
We're gonna do a quick review and then we are going to do our thing. Okay, so in the box we got Metallic Shadow Stick, the Strobe and Allure highlighter palette, Volcano Vibes Wax, the Butterfly Necklace, Peachy Exfoliating Scrub. We've got the Soon Golden Eye 24 karat in the air eye patches. We've got the Lavender and Lemon Steamer, Shower Steamer, the Light of Love Elevate batch number 13 essential oils. Finally, we've got the almost famous Buzz It Pocket Shaver. All of those things, you guys, for this price, wow.
a few moments later.
Well, you know what time it is. It's time. It's time. It's time. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Lovely Things box. Brand new freaking box to my channel. I have to say, I am thoroughly freaking impressed. The variety of the box was freaking legit. And when we base and rate the box, we definitely take a look at the variety of the items, the price point of the items, as well as the value of the items, presentation, which does in fact include the description, brochure, postcard kind of situation, as well as how they packaged it. You know, all of those things we kind of factor in for our rating. And the rating is based on the scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there, or 10, yes queen, buy the freaking box. All of these items are all things that I definitely am going to try. I love the variety. They have different items from self-care items to beauty products to lifestyle items. I freaking loved it. I freaking loved this box. So let's go ahead, you guys, and give this box a rating. Drum roll, please. Lovely Things box. You are gonna get your very first rating from Savvy Mamacita, and that rating is a 8.5. You got an 8.5. 8.5. Freaking nailed it. Like, nailed it. Boom. Home run. Swung it out of the park. So excited. If you guys are interested in checking out Lovely Things box for yourself, please check out the link and description area in my, my post area. I will leave the coupon code for you as well if you're interested in checking out Lovely Things box for yourself. I'm so excited, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lovely Things box, for gifting me this box. I appreciate you. I really enjoyed your box, and congratulations on your 8.5 rating. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe, notification bell, and we will see you in the next